I just finished making the perfect roast beef in my Ninja Foodie indoor grill. Now I'm going to whip up a delicious white barbecue sauce that's gonna go on top of it. Welcome to the Salted Pepper, where we cook for real life using real food and we keep it real simple. And today I am sharing a sauce with you that I wasn't sure I would ever share the secret to. People would come to my barbecue restaurant from all over the place just to get our pulled chicken with the Alabama white sauce. The white sauce is a white barbecue sauce. I'm gonna show you exactly how to make it. It's gonna become one of your favorites, I know it, for pulled chicken sandwiches. But it's also delicious on roast beef, and that's what I'm gonna do today. So let's get right into it. The ingredients you're gonna need are 1 cup of regular mayonnaise, not Miracle Whip, regular mayonnaise, any kind that you like. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. It can be freshly squeezed or from a bottle. Either way is fine in this recipe. 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. 3 tablespoons of white granulated sugar. 1 tablespoon of horseradish in a jar. It's in the refrigerated section of your grocery store. Don't mistake it for the creamy kind that's on the store shelves that is a true sauce. It's already mixed with things. This is pure horseradish. And then our seasoning, 1 teaspoon of chipotle powder, 1 teaspoon of parsley flakes, 1 teaspoon of pepper. And that's it. And then just whisk it up until everything is well incorporated. And you have your Alabama white barbecue sauce. And it is so good. Now it thickens as it sits in the fridge. So even if it looks a little runny right now, don't worry about that. Just pop it in the refrigerator and it will thicken up. You can always add more horseradish or more spice if you like, but I find this to have a nice balance of flavors. And everybody loves it. Even my husband, who does not like horseradish, loves this sauce. All right, that looks good. All done. Now, ordinarily, I would put it in the refrigerator and let it sit for several hours before serving it. But I've got this hot roast beef right here, and I've got my toasted bun. Now, I'm just going to spoon some of the sauce over. It's going to be a little runnier than normal, but it'll still be delicious. Oh, my gosh. The flavors work perfectly with chicken or beef. And a pulled chicken sandwich, especially if it's smoked chicken, oh my gosh, with this sauce is amazing. I don't have a smoker anymore. I need to buy one. So I'm researching what brand. So if you guys have a smoker and you love it, let me know in the comments. All right, here we go. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. This is heaven. I really hope you give this one a try. You can cut down on the spices if you'd like, but I really find it to be perfect. It's mild, it's not too spicy. And of course, you can always go up on the spices too. Make it yours, make it delicious, and keep it real.